Hello, welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. I thought I'd just come live again today because I do need to step away from my computer for a bit in a few minutes. So I thought I'd come live quick, update you on what's going on with the trade that I gave you, I think yesterday, and also update you with what I'm going to be doing next. So as you know, if you've been watching the channel, good morning, Devon. Nice to see you back. Let's make our mothers proud today. Of course, that's the goal every day for me. But yeah. So taking a look at the charts, if I just bring my chart up here, as we can see, we finally hit that price target. And I say finally, we've done it pretty quickly. We came and hit our value area high right here. As we can see, we are seeing a slight rejection from it. As we can see that it is, something to be expected, getting a rejection from this value area high. But initially, we have hit my price target. And as you can see, I have now taken profit off of this trade. So as you can see, realized profit and loss $133, and we still have some left in the trade as well, because I do still think the price could come up a little bit higher as well. So I do still think this price could come up to my shorting area at this golden pocket here. So I'm seeing if I can squeeze a little bit more profit out of this trade before closing it completely, because I do think we are going to get a rejection from this area up here. Now, I've been trading the range. That's all I've been doing. I've been talking about it on Twitter as well. I've been updating you over on Twitter. Follow us over on Twitter as well. We keep you updated there as well. So as you can see, I mentioned that I was just trading the range, and as you can see, some nice profits coming in there. I mentioned the first take profit point being hit, as we can see right there. That first take profit being hit pretty much to the dollar, and again, updating you with the long almost ready to begin shorting again, and that is my plan. I'm getting ready to start shorting because we've been trading this mini range on the 1 hour. That we were previously trading this bigger range on the 4-hour chart. This is a 1 hour chart, but on the 4 hour we were trading this bigger range here, shorting the value area high down to the value area low. And we're doing the exact same thing here as well. So if you've been following the channel, you will know that we shorted this area up here and we've shorted that down. And that was a really nice trade as well. And we've now longed this value area low here and this cluster of support here to the value area high, taking some profits here, trying to squeeze a little bit more profit out if we do come up to this level here, which is actually my shorting area. So, all I've been doing over the past few days, the past few months, is just trading these ranges. This is the best strategy to be having within a sideways consolidating market like this. Just trading the range, shorting the value area high, longing the value area low with confluence. Obviously, you want to find confluence, and it's been playing out really, really nicely. So over the past 4 days, I think it is, we shorted this. We made around $200 there as well. We've made around, I know it's unrealized still, but around $200 if we were to take profit now. So we made over $400, approximately $400 over the past 4 days. So really, really nice profits there. And I am looking to continue this streak that we are on. So I am looking to actually short this value area high. Now, we could enter into a short position at $20,800 because, as you can see previously, we've hit the value area high to the dollar and there as well, and we have seen a rejection twice. So there's a possibility that we could short this value area high. But for me, I like confluence. For me, I like at least 3 bits of confluence coming in for it to be a valid long or short position. So as in 3 levels of support coming in at the same level, or 3 levels of resistance coming in at the same level as well. And that's what I'm looking at here. So we have the value area high at $20,800, but then we have this golden pocket that's sat just above it, and we also have 2 levels of resistance as well, 2 ascending trend lines that are coming in as well. So if we go to the bigger time frame, we can actually see it a little bit clearer. We can see that we have been within this ascending parallel channel for quite a while now, and we've been respecting it very well. That is going to come in as resistance, and as you can see, it's played perfect resistance recently as well. So this is why I am looking to short this area. There's a lot of confluence. And I do still think that we are looking very bearish as well. We have actually seen the the what's it? Let's come into this screen here. So today we have actually, where is it, here we go. So we've had unemployment rate come in higher than expected, non-farm payrolls, we've had that come in more than expected. So there are more jobs than the Fed thought there were going to be, which is actually not good for the markets. The Fed wants less jobs for us now, because we've seen more jobs than expected. Then it is looking more bearish as well. So I'm still looking at the fundamentals being bearish, but also the technicals being bearish as well. As long as we stay below this cluster of resistance here, I am bearish. If we break above it, then yes, we can become bullish in the sort of shorter to mid-term range. But right now, I am still bearish as we are below this resistance, and I am going to be shorting this resistance. So I thought I'd just come live quickly, update you, and just let you know that I'm still in that long position, waiting just for a little bit higher. But I also have all these short orders put in as well. So from 20,978 all the way up to $21,400, I have short limit orders set there, and I'm happy, to walk away and wait for the price to hit those targets. Once I see those notifications coming in on my phone, then I can sit on my computer and evaluate what's going on, whether we're going to see the price invalidate or we're going to see the price retrace. And of course, I will come live when that happens as well, so don't worry about that. But right now, just waiting for that price to push a little bit higher, and then I will begin shorting. What I've done with my long position is actually move the stop loss up to $20,089, which is just a little bit above my entry point. So I know that I'm not going to lose any money on this trade. All I can lose is this profit that we have here. And as you can see, we've already taken $133 of profit off of that trade. So I won't lose any money. I will only make that for certain. So that's good. That's what I tend to do, move that stop loss up to the break even. So if the price does decide to retrace from here and not hit my final take profit, which is around here, then I won't lose any money. I don't have to stare at my computer all day. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to put a final TP at $21,000. So I'm going to add a take profit point, put that at $21,000 to close the no, I haven't pressed that, to close 100% of that trade. So there we go. We have that take profit in there. So if we do come up to 21,000, then that long position is going to be that long position is going to be exited in some really, really nice profits. And at that point, I will have started to short because, as I said, we do have those short limit orders coming in from 20,978 all the way up to $21,400. So I will have started shorting by then. And as you know, this is my shorting area here. If we do come up to this area, I am expecting a rejection from that area down to the value area low at the least. So I'm expecting a nice short position from here to value area low at around $20,270 approximately. Then if we break that, then I would expect 20,000 to be hit, which is, as you can see, a major support level. Now, I would take a lot of profit off of that trade at those levels, but I would leave some within that trade because I still think we're bearish. I still think we could see new lows. So if we do break this level here, then I will have some of that trade still open, and then we can make the most of the price coming down, because if we do break this major support level here, then I do think we could see the price actually continue to pull back and come back in and get accepted back into this bigger range on the 4-hour. So as we can see, we've got the big 4-hour range. We're trading above it at the moment, but it looks as though we could get some sort of triple top here if we get rejected from this major resistance, come down to that value area low on the 1-hour, which sort of lines up with that value area high on this 4-hour chart. Then if we break below that, get accepted back into this range here, then I'm going to hold that short all the way down to $18,850 approximately, where I would then look at taking profit there as well. But that's where I would expect the price to come to if we lose this value area high. If we lose support at this value area high, get accepted back into it, then I would expect this value area low to be hit, and that being the next target. So yeah, that's my sort of what I'm looking at Bitcoin doing right now, just coming into my shorting area. And if that happens, then of course we've got those limit orders in. We've got to take profit for that long position in there as well. And of course, I'm going to keep you updated as and when is possible. So, if I'm out, because I need to go out in a moment, if I'm out whilst these are hit, I will make it home as soon as possible and update you as well. But yeah, that's my current plan, and I hope this technical analysis video has helped you and given you an understanding of where I expect the price to go in the shorter term. Short to mid-term, I do still think we're looking very bearish. So yeah, that is my plan, and I mentioned it over here on Twitter as well. Where is it? Somewhere down here, I mentioned what I thought here. So pump it to 21,000 to 21,500, then dump it to 20,000. That's the plan. That's the plan I'm looking at. That's the plan I'm trading. The best way to trade is have a plan, and that is my plan. If the plan gets invalidated, that's okay. We take a very small loss, and we move on and we look for the next level. So there's my plan. If you enjoyed this technical analysis video, please smash a like on this video. Then I can continue to bring this content, and I really do appreciate it. And it's really nice to see the same people coming back as well. Did you see the pump on band? No, I did not see the pump on band. I will take a look at that, but I am going to have to get going now, so I don't have time to look at that now. But Akeshi, good to see you here. The dad Dan, nice to see you back here as well. Yeah, nice to see everyone back here. Good TA, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you very much. Pat, nice to see you back here as well. Roland, I'm not sure if I've seen you before, to be honest, but nice to see you here. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, turn that bell notification on if you haven't already, and yeah, please smash a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.